guys, it's Justin again. Welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Have you prepared a new hairstyle for this Halloween? I have a lot of customers texting to place a new order for Halloween, but they seem to have a hard time choosing the right hair color. In this video, I will introduce to you 3 extremely striking and trendy hair colors for this Halloween. So are you ready? Let's get started right after this intro. First, I will introduce to you a very simple wig, but it's extremely suitable for this Halloween. That is bone straight hair extensions with natural black in 26 inches. Halloween is a holiday for dressing up, so many people will choose colorful clothes and makeup layouts. If you choose a hair color that is too colorful, it will not match your outfit. Choosing a long black wig will make it easier for you to style your hair and combine it with your customs. And here are some Halloween cosplay with long black bone straight hairstyle. Now we come to my second favorite hair color for this Halloween. This hair color is a combination of brown and orange. The first will be brown, the middle of hair will be orange, and the ends will be brown. The reason why I highly recommend this hair color to you is because this hair color reminds us immediately of this festival. We all know that orange is the color of Halloween, so you can choose this color. The combinations with brown will make the hair look elegant and easier to combine with all kinds of Halloween customs. Finally, I will suggest to you a hair color that is the hottest this year. If you haven't tried this hair color before, this Halloween is a good chance for you to try ombre burgundy hair color. The reason why burgundy hair color becomes the hottest hair color this year is because it suits most style and outfit that you choose. The ombre burgundy color makes your hair look more natural and attractive. With this hair color, I highly recommend wearing a black outfit with glitter. You will definitely look outstanding and attractive. If you see any hair color that is a hot trend color for this year Halloween season, don't hesitate to leave a comment to share with me and everyone. And if you want to know more about this year hot trend color, contact me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel.